a very easy, say, kind of trick to limit the temperature of your soldering iron to half of the value is this: use a diode. At least when your soldering iron is connected to the mains, be it 110 volts, 230 volts, 50 Hertz, 60 Hertz, doesn't matter. Here is the diode, and it means that only half of the wave, half of the energy sent into the heating element is realized finally as temperature on the soldering tip that's here. So this is kind of a way to show it. Here the AC in, only say this part of the wave is sent through to the heating element. This part of the wave is suppressed, and this part sent through, this suppressed. So you have approximately half of the energy that your soldering iron gives. And in my case, it is this one, a Scandia 60 watt, 230 volts, 50 Hertz. And I found that when soldering things, the temperature was too high. But I can switch on now here with this switch. Half of the energy, and switch it off. So now we have the full energy. We have 60 watts. Now we have approximately 30 watts. So I think it's a very useful circuit. So you don't have to buy a very expensive soldering iron. I bought this one in a thrift shop for €3, and it works very nice. Of course, you can also use this with a 100 watt soldering iron. Then you have effectively 50 watt at the tip, and well, say 30 watt is more or less often the minimum to make good soldering connections. Thanks for watching. Of course, the earth safety goes here to the mantle, the housing, that's this here, of the soldering iron.